So the kinds of financial instruments that can be booked to blockchains include stocks and bonds, options, treasury securities, annuities, insurance products. Any kind of financial security could be registered and transacted via a blockchain. And the important thing that could happen with this is that blockchains are, once you get an asset cryptographically registered, you can transfer it immediately, certainly, in a cash market sense, in the spot market, the immediate cash transfer of an entity. But also it can act like a futures or an options. It can be controlled in the future. So you can write a smart contract to control that financial asset at any future moment per whatever kind of parameter. And so, for example, the whole mortgage market could be put on the blockchain. Mortgages, adjustable rate mortgages, have interest rate resets and other parameters per market conditions in the future. And so instead of having humans book the new interest rate, or the automation mechanism that currently happens, this could all be by blockchain. So when that adjustable rate mortgage has an interest rate reset at year 10 and checks every month for the current LIBOR or other interest rate mechanism, this could all be done by smart contract, and the entire mortgage industry could just be deployed via smart contracts on the internet. A smart contract is a contract that is registered to a blockchain and executes code as stipulated per the blockchain. So a contract is still an agreement, a legal agreement between two or more parties, and is just booked to a blockchain and executes automatically. And that's what a smart contract is. So all of any kind of financial instrument might be controlled via smart contract in the future.